In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Grammarly account in just a few simple steps. If you ever need to switch accounts, sign out on a shared device, or just want to make sure your account is secure, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. This will take you directly to the Grammarly web app where you can manage your account and access your writing tools. Once the page loads, take a look at the left side navigation panel. Grammarly keeps most of its main options on the left, so this is where you'll find the sign out option. Now scroll all the way down to the very bottom left corner of the screen. At the bottom of that left panel, you'll see the sign out button. Click it once and Grammarly will ask you to confirm that you really want to leave your account. A pop-up window will appear with a confirmation message. To finish logging out, simply click Yes, sign out. After that, Grammarly will immediately log you out of the account and you'll be taken out of the session. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully signed out of your Grammarly account. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.